Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get King of Heroes V2 in Sailor Peace. So without further ado, let's get started. First you need to have a normal King of Heroes, and to get it you need to go to the boss island, then go up here, talk to this NPC here, and for unlocking it you need to have Golden King title, 25 mil, 22.5 gems, 12 Throne Remnant, 6 Ancient Shards, 3 Golden Essence, and 1 Phantasm Core. And all the items that basically can get by killing this King of Heroes boss. For spawning the King of Heroes boss, you need to have a Divine Grail. And to get that Divine Grail, you need to go up here. And then you need to go to Divine Grail Crafter and get Divine Grail for 3 broken swords. And you can get a broken sword just by killing NPCs that has wielding a sword. And once you have first King of Heroes, then you need to go to the second island. And on second sea, you need to go to the Hero Kingdom. Then go straight to this NPC. And then you need to have a King of Hero, first one. Then you need to have 1 million gems, 5 Calamity Seal, and 15 Lapis Core. To get Calamity Seal, you need to go to Academy Island, and first you need to complete Demonite Core quest and find 2 bubbles here. If you want to get Calamity Seal, just comment in comment section below your nickname and I will send to you, okay? Because as you can see here, I have plenty of it. So first of all, find 1 Demonite fragment here, then go to the top here, and other Demonite fragment will be here. And once you complete the quest, you need to go back to that NPC. And then you just need to farm these NPCs here to get a Calamity Seal, right? And here you can pick Calamity Seal. And if you want to get Lapis Core, we need to go back to the island second sea to the V2 NPC. And to get Lapis Core, 15 Lapis Core, you need to fight this NPC here, King of Heroes V2. And the good part of it, the boss will drop in 100% chance that particular Lapis Core. So you need to basically beat this boss 15 times. And to get 1 billion gems, you need to complete quest. There's a lot of basically gems that you need to have. So 1 million gems, you just need to complete quests, unlock chests, maybe go to the tower or do raid bosses thing and get 1 million gems. And that's how you can do so. So if I help you out, please press like.